Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a job recommendation letter. What is a job recommendation letter? A job recommendation letter is a formal document written by a colleague, supervisor, or professional contact, endorsing an individual's qualifications, skills, and work performance for a specific job or professional opportunity. This letter highlights the individual's professional achievements, strengths, and suitability for a position, and is typically used to support their job application or candidacy for a role. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a job recommendation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And then, write your position in the company. In this case, the writer is marketing director. And then, write the name of the company. Write also the address of the company. When you do it, you must include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, now you need to write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, you should write the information about the recipient. In case you have no idea about their name, you may simply direct it to the hiring manager. And then, write the name of the company. In this case is Tech Solutions LLC. And now, write the full address of the recipient's company. Yes, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing these information, now you can write the subject of the letter. This is not a must, but highly recommended. You may simply write, job recommendation for, followed by the name of the applicant. In this case is Andrew Mitchell. And now, you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, Dear Hiring Manager. In the first paragraph, this is an introduction part. As you see, Linda introduces herself. And she also expresses her intention to recommend Andrew Mitchell for employment. And you may write it like this. I am writing to highly recommend Andrew Mitchell for employment. After that, you can write brief about the applicant's professional qualifications. Don't forget to mention the current company. Here is the example. He has been an integral member of our team at ABC Innovations. And has consistently demonstrated exceptional skills, dedication, and a strong work ethic. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk more about professional qualifications and achievements of the applicant. In this letter, the writer describes Andrew's role at ABC Innovations. And the writer also writes his contributions to a successful marketing campaign. You may write something like, in his role as graphic designer at ABC Innovations, Andrew played a key role in designing and launching our latest marketing campaign. Sure, you can also give highlights about his creativity, attention to detail, and impact on achieving marketing goals. And here is the example. His creativity and attention to detail significantly contributed to the campaign's success, attracting new clients and exceeding our marketing goals. In the third paragraph, now you can talk about standout qualities of the applicant. Just like this letter, the writer focuses on Andrew's exceptional creativity with specific examples. Maybe, you can mention the development of a visually stunning presentation or something. And here is how you write it. One of Andrew's standout qualities is his exceptional creativity. For instance, he developed a visually stunning presentation that effectively communicated our brand message and captivated our target audience. In the fourth paragraph, write about adaptability and work ethic of the applicant. For example is, moreover, Andrew is a quick learner and has shown the ability to adapt to new challenges effortlessly. And of course, you can emphasize the applicant plus points. They are such as quick learning, adaptability, and commitment to going the extra mile for team success. Sure, you can write it this way. He consistently meets or exceeds expectations, and is always willing to go the extra mile to ensure the success of the team. In the fifth paragraph, you can elaborate the applicant's teamwork and communication. Just like this sample, the writer praises Andrew's ability to work well within a team. Sure, you can also talk about effective communication and collaboration across departments, and so on. And here is the example how you write it. In addition to his creative skills, Andrew Mitchell is a pleasure to work with. He is a team player, communicates effectively, and collaborates well with colleagues across departments. In the sixth paragraph, write your personal endorsement. In this letter, the writer affirms her confidence in Andrew's potential contribution to the new organization. And she also praises his integrity and character. You may write something like this. I have no doubt that Andrew Mitchell will bring the same level of dedication and excellence to your organization as he has to ours. He is not only a skilled professional, but also a person of integrity and character. In the seventh paragraph, now you need to offer further assistance. Yes, offer the recipient to provide additional information or answer further questions, including contact details. Here, you need to write your phone number and email address. For example, you can write it this way. If you have any further questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact me at 555-234-5678 or linda.rodriguez@email.com. Encourage the hiring manager to reach out, indicating readiness to support your recommendation. And once again, reiterate your strong recommendation of the applicant. States your belief in their suitability and potential value to the new team. Here is the example. I wholeheartedly recommend Andrew Mitchell for the position, and believe he would be a valuable asset to your team. In the last paragraph, express gratitude and formal closure. You may simply write, "Thank you for considering my recommendation." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your job position, and the company name as well. So, that's how you write a job recommendation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.